Welcome aboard a one-owner, pristine, freshwater 2018 Tiara 39 Coupe, IPS 500s, under 100 hours. Sold new to the individual who owns it. Lived its life right here on Lake St. Clair. Beautiful silver hull. Of course, the true coupe. Door wall. The canvas you have for the seat covers in the cockpit. Of course, this boat's famous for a big transom locker, power lift for it. Step into the cockpit area. Very safe forward access on either starboard or port gunnel. Beautiful open airy salon, even with the blinds down, it's still nice and bright. But you have the ability to close it off with the blinds, keep the sun out. Of course, the Garmin glass cockpit, Volvo IPS joystick control, 91.2 hours on each. Two staterooms below, master forward, both with doors that close. Distribution panel to port. Nice big mid stateroom. Wonderful boat. Won't last long. Call for showing. Thank you.